Hi guys, this is Junaid from Everythingsmartphone. In this video, I have on desk Elephone A4 for the purpose of quick unboxing and a brief review. The cost of this phone is a modest one. It is only about $109, but it does look cool and stylish. Well, it has a good display with notch and it will likely deliver a decent performance when it comes to playing games. It comes with a fairly average camera. You may or may not like it. Some basic specifications have been printed on the backside, and by the time I unbox the phone, I will shortly go through these specs. Elephone A4 has a 5.85-inch IPS display with a resolution of 1440 by 720 pixels. We have a 5 megapixel front camera and we have a 8 megapixel rear camera with a flash on the back part. They have used the latest Android 8.1 Oreo as operating system. We have 3 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage. They have used MTK6739 quad-core processor that clocks at 1.3 GHz. We have a memory card slot on the left side and it is expandable up to 128 GB. We also have a dual SIM card slot on the left that supports a 2 nano SIM card side by side, or a combination of a nano SIM and a micro SD card. There are a number of sensors available. These are gravity sensor, fingerprint sensor, e-compass, proximity sensor, ambient light sensor. The battery capacity is about 3000 mAh. We have two variants of this phone. These are gold color and a black color. The phone weighs heavy. It weighs about 390 grams. The phone does support 4G LTE network. Alright, now I'm done with the unboxing part. We have the basic accessories here. As you can see, these accessories are a power adapter. You can see it on my hand, a data transfer charging cable for the purpose of data transfer and charging, a transparent silicone case to provide an additional layer of protection, a user manual guide and a SIM ejection tool. So that's what we have in the box. The phone feels a bit heavier if held in the hand. It weighs about 390 grams and it is coming with pre-installed protective film. The build quality is good and the design looks as premium as that of an iPhone X. The phone has a 5.99-inch display with notch. The right side has a fingerprint scanner, a power button and a volume rocker. The left side has a SIM card slot. On the top left side of the upper edge, we have the audio port. The bottom edge has a micro USB port housed between two speaker grills. I'd also like to make a mention that there is no LED light for notification. The back side looks more premium as it is made of glass and stainless steel. The top left of the back part has a 8 megapixel camera with a flashlight and the front side has a 5 megapixel selfie camera. Now I will power it on and I will take some time to complete the setup process. Now that I have completed the setup process, so this is how the home screen looks like. The brightness is good and solid and it is catchy to the eyes. I have adjusted the level of brightness during the setup process. The display is very responsive to touches. The fingerprint scanner on the right side works perfectly fine. In the system menu, you can update your phone anytime and you may have to run the updates times time. The phone runs Android 8.1 Oreo as operating system. The Elephone A4 is really good in terms of price. It will only cost you about $109. That is quite cool and you're almost getting everything at this price. The design is actually a copy of iPhone X from the outside, but internally its processor and the camera's hardware is not that good. They will likely perform below average. You cannot actually expect more out of a $109 phone. Otherwise, I don't have much complaints because Elephone have tried their best to pack everything within this affordable budget. So that's my quick unboxing and a brief review on Elephone A4. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.